channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I'm so happy because I finally got my dream pet. So if you guys watched my video where I was seeing what people offer for my neon albino monkey, I got an Arctic reindeer, neon Arctic reindeer, which is actually worth more than a frost dragon. So what happened was I had a friend and she's asked me that if I could trade my neon Arctic reindeer for a frost dragon, and like she wanted me to add, but of course I was over, so I won't add. Then I told her that the neon Arctic was worth more than a frost, so she added a mega dog because of course I'm not going to do it just for a frost dragon. So I finally got my dream pet. I'm so happy, and she even added, let me find the trade. Yeah, she even added this petware and stuff after, because to make it a more fair trade. Let me just show you guys my oopsie. Let me show you guys my frost dragon. I'm so happy I finally got it, and I even got a mega dog. I'm too lazy to make one for myself, so I got it. Okay guys, so this is my frost dragon. It's named Ice Queen because yeah, she's the queen of ice. So this is how she looks like. She's very fancy. She has her crown, her cherry earrings, and her sneakers. And I love when it flies, like the wings look so cool and like that. And the tricks are like, my favorite is the frost breath. It looks so amazing, and I just love my frost dragon so much. She's a queen. She deserves it. Like, it looks so cool. And also the dive one, it's amazing. Like, it goes up like that. I don't know if my angle is right or not. You guys can see. I'm thinking of buying something else actually. Let me just teleport to the stroller shop. I'm so excited that I finally got a frost dragon, so I might actually buy this. It's very expensive, but oh, I could actually choose the color. I never knew. How about this blue? Like that. Oh wow. Okay, so let me just go outside and show it to you guys. So of course my frost dragon is a queen and my dream pet. So I got a royal stroller. What's it called? Let me just. Oh, see, it's called the throne stroller. I thought it was called the royal stroller. So I got a stroller for it. It's in blue and I love it so much. I'm so happy that I finally got a frost dragon, and in honor of that I got a throne stroller. Looks amazing. I love it so much. When I got actually guys, I'll tell you why I didn't record the trade. Let me just find my trading license really quickly. I'll tell you guys everything what happened. So what happened was, I did a bunch of trades. So let me just find it really quickly. Okay, yeah, this is a trade. Oh, this is the other one. Sorry, I'm very bad at finding trade. Okay, so what happened was I wanted to record, but my friend had like an internet connection problem. So we were supposed to trade the day before it, but her PC kept shutting down and she kept leaving the game and she couldn't join it. So I couldn't record. I was like, when she came, she was like, can we trade now? I was like, okay, fine. I was so excited in getting like the frost dragon that I forgot to record. I was so scared that if she left, it would take some time to record. That if she left, I won't be able to do the trade. So I was just like, I'll make a video after. I just have to. Like, I just have to have a frost dragon. So let me show you guys the mega dog as well. It's my first mega pet because I'm too lazy to make one, of course. Okay, here it is. Why do I have only 2 dogs? Oh, I didn't even name it. It's just the name. I love the colors of it. And it's just so pretty. It's like rainbow and stuff. My first neon pet was a dog. And my first mega pet is a dog as well. I'm really happy I got it. It's even flying right. Oh, I never flew it. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, so this was it from my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. And if you guys have some name ideas, make sure to comment down below, because you never know when you can find some. So I'll